Our product plywood cutting machine, also be called plywood trimming saw, its function for cutting 4 edges of plywood, so all plywood size will be same and tightness. Its working way are semi-automatic. Only put plywood on machine. The saw machine will automatic trimming plywood edges. After finished trimming, machine will stacking plywood automatically. High efficiency and very convenient to increase your production capacity. Min-Hong Machinery Plywood Cutting Machine with mature and reliable structure after upgraded and improved again and again, so its working performance are very well, and using infrared guide to ensure accurate positioning, with big power to cut thick plywood, will lift table to automatic stacking. Welcome, contact us for more information. We have the confidence that we will offer you a suitable and good plywood cutting machine for you. Shandong Min-Hong Wood Machinery Company Limited is one famous manufacturer of plywood machine in China, located in Linyi City, and is one of the famous plywood machinery manufacturers in China. Our products have obtained EU, CE, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, CCEP, and energy saving certification. Our company integrates design, research and development, production and sales, and cooperates closely with China's advanced scientific research institutions. We have a strong research and development team, and our machinery has obtained a number of national patents. Pay more attention to machine details. Details determine success or failure. So, we continuously improve and optimize machine performance, strictly control each production step, use advanced lathe processing machines, and pass multiple inspections to ensure that our machines are accurate and durable. Technological innovation-oriented, quality-oriented, service-oriented, to provide customers with a full range of plywood production solutions and technical support. And our machines have been exported to more than 30 countries and regions, such as the United States, Russia, Poland, Ukraine, Portugal, Bulgaria, Romania, Turkey, Egypt, Morocco, Indonesia, and etc., and have received good feedback. With high-efficiency sales team offer 24 hours online service. The professional technical team and after-sales service team offer plant layout, machine drawings, and after-sales service. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine, 2 years warranty, professional technical team at your service anytime, and hope to build a good and long-time cooperation.